What's crackin' Eggheads? This is Ashleigh Bonner, founder of the indie educational video game studio Electric Egghead, and I'm on the 4th month of Thomas Brush's Start a Game Studio in 12 Months challenge, day 23, and this month you learn code, so I'm learning C++, and you can see right there is you have the hashtag 12 Months Game Studio and the Discord link. So I'm just going to get started. This is only going to be like a 20-minute video where I'm just going to go through more of Mike Dane from Giraffe Academy's YouTube tutorial where I'm learning the basics. Alright, so I'm going to just get started, and then I will do the other hour and 40 minutes of the challenge throughout, during the day, during lunch, at work, and things like that. Thomas Brush recommends 2 to 3 hours for each month every day. So I'm just going to do a short video and then go to work, and then I will finish it later. Alright, thank you for watching. Have a great day. Like, comment, subscribe. Tell me what you want to see, what you may not want to see, all those kinds of things. Okay, let's keep going. Now, let me just go close this. Alright, I'm not going to do much editing. I'm just going to do like a live coding kind of thing and then upload it to YouTube. So you're just gonna see me doing it. That way I'll have more time to actually learn these applications and learn coding and things without having to worry about so much editing and all the things that takes so long to make videos, because the videos I plan for at least some of them to be an actual 2 hours, and it takes a really long time to edit them. So you're gonna just kind of get them, you're gonna just get them like off the cuff, but I will still make them as, at least relatively professional. Okay, anyway, so let's keep going. Now, yesterday I had an out of range error message. I moved some of the functions that I have later in my main function, but I do think I still have the error. I'm just not triggering it. So let me debug F5. Let me see. Let's see. Okay. One was a man named Thomas Scott. Let's name him something that doesn't have any E's in it. Tim. Garris. Okay. So, here's what I want to know. Where's first E? There are no E's in his name. Okay. What is his neighbor? 45. Oh, there's his friend, 90. Want to play with him? I'll play real quick. Just because it's a lovely morning. 5:44 in the morning. Okay, send to location. Where does Tim Garris live? Sri Lanka. Enter a noun. Skittle. Enter another noun. Enter a song name. Okay, that's my display. It's messed up, so it's not working right properly. Song name. Okay, and enter an adjective. Beautiful. Okay. Stop doing that, computer. And enter a curse word, real or made up. Dork. Okay. Come on, computer display. Stop doing that. You were working so well. Alright. So, here is the answer. Screaming throughout Sri Lanka, Skittle found a lucky Scott and whistled believer. The rest of the horrifying trip went beautiful. Oh, jork. So this is a little thing I made from Mike Dane's tutorial. It's just a little Mad Lib where you just ask the user to for just put in some stuff, and then you input what you take in what they put, and then you insert it into this little sentence. All right. So I'm gonna say no. We don't want to play again. Well, fine then. Okay. Let me just move this a little bit. All right. That might work a little better, or maybe a little worse. So let's see, his boss wants her age cubed. So let's make her 90. And her boss's cubed age is 729,000. So 90 times 90 times 90. And let's see. Into the first number, that's a little calculator. 9 divided by 56. Oops. Into the operator, into the second number, 56, is 0.160714. Okay. Placeholder there doesn't matter. Okay, let me close this. Into the boss's age. This is just the part where, so I can see what's being printed and the program doesn't just close. All right. 3, and then it closes when I enter the final boss's age. All right. So awesome. Now I'm gonna keep going because I just got 20 minutes to do the actual recording before I'm probably not gonna be recording much more this day, even though I will be finishing the coding. But I may do that at the library, which is kind of loud, so I don't want to talk that much at the library. Okay. All right. I need this thing to reset. All right. That'll do. Whatever. It's fine. Oh no, it's kind of like bleeping a little. Oops. Anyway. Follow your dreams. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm not really getting much done, am I? Okay. All right. So this works fine. Okay. Restore. Okay, there's nothing here. Alright, so this was the error message that I was getting, but I'm no longer getting that message. So I'm just going to say it's good. I'm uploading my code to GitHub, which is a really good place. That's GitHub, to store your code, images, everything related to your projects. Okay. So I'm going to make, in my 12 Months Game Studio code folder, I'm going to make a new file, name this new file today's date, okay? And just put right in here placeholder, because in GitHub your files can't be empty. They need at least one folder. Then I'm just going to put commit and add my new code later on today. Alright, so I'm going to keep going. So yesterday I finished off making a switch statement to output the name of the day, depending on if the user put in a number for the day. So if they put in a 0, if they enter in a 0, Sunday, 1, Monday, etc., etc. List goes on. Alright, so let me keep going. And then you're going to hear my awesome go to work alarm. It's like, it's really cool. But my best alarm, really, it was my new, I just got the LG Stylo 5 or something or whatever. Doesn't matter. It has a really cool wake up alarm. Yeah, it just has me dancing, waking up. Now, let's see. Okay, let's keep going. All right. So in a switch statement, the default is where you put like invalid. So the person didn't put in 0 through 6. They put in, let's say, 10. So if they put in 10, or if they put in, A, or this program sucks, or whatever they put in, not that it's going to take that because it only takes an integer, but if they put in 10, they're going to get this message. So let's just check that. Debug F5. Alright, but this is going to do at the end of it, isn't it? Let's put Justice League. Alright, how old is his neighbor? 9. Because now I move this at the end of my game. Okay, and first number, Saturday. Alright. Oops, sorry, I forgot to change that. Okay. So let's see, make sure that works. Where did I put that? Day of week. Let's just go here, where I defined it. No, that's not it. You know what? I would like if this, you see this little thing right here? You see this little arrow? That means where I defined it at the top, right here. So, I mean, sorry, this little arrow is where I declared these functions. And then this one without the arrow is where I actually defined it at the bottom of, underneath my main. But I would like the feature here where it'll allow me to pick where I actually called it within my main. See, now I have to look for where I actually called the function in my main. Alright, so let's see. Oh, day of week. That's what it was. Alright, here it is. So see, I called it right here, but this right here, this little section right here, doesn't show me where I actually called the function. It only shows me where I declared it and where I defined it. Okay. Anyway, so let me put in 10, and then we should get the error message. So debug. I'm just gonna push F5 to start with debugging. All right, F5. And what do we have? We should get eventually. Just put in P. Let's put in. Here's the error. Oh, I knew it wasn't fixed because I didn't do anything to fix it. Oh, here's the error. Okay, so when you put in one letter, it's giving me the error message now. There are no E's in his name. Oh, that's where I'm getting the error message, the out of range. I knew I hadn't fixed it because I hadn't done anything. Okay, so I do need to fix this. So let me just stop here, break, okay, and figure out what's actually wrong. That happens when I put in one letter as the character's name. Oh, I pushed the wrong thing. Okay, so, okay, I know that it's something wrong with the dot find thing. Here it is. Oh, okay. To do fix error message. Okay. Let me see. Let me stop debugging. Alright, give that a second. Alright. Debugging is being stopped, but it's not yet complete. Okay, that's fine. I know that it's broken. I need to find this bug and release it out of the window. Anyway, let's see. Okay. Alright, here we go. So, let's see. This is erroring either right here or right here or right here. I think it's erroring somewhere right here. Okay, so let me just dock this to the side by grabbing the top holding it with my left mouse button and dragging it and docking it. And then I'm gonna grab the browser. Okay, so let me just get a new tab and let's do Google. Oops, Google.com. Good morning. Make it a little smaller. Alright. Okay, smaller. Alright, so let me go back here. I did not think that was fixed. Let me just maximize this. Alright, so I'm gonna go to yesterday's and go to the history. Okay, so this is the newest version that I sent for yesterday. I'm gonna go to this one, which is the previous one, which has that error message at the top. Alright, so error, unhidden, exception, no. Out of range, here it is, at memory location. Okay, so let me look this up. Okay, so Stack Overflow, exception, let's look to 2018. Alright, put it some content, and city location. Let's go to the green check mark. Okay, let's see what they've said. Okay, so all right, let's see. I'm just gonna take off my headphones, my earbuds. Okay, it's definitely something. It's saying it's something. It's something that the Visual Studio can't find. So okay. All right. Let me just dock this again, and let's do this. Okay. So if you need to check the file before trying to. All right, that's my go to work alarm. That's at the time that it is right now. I'm going to show you my quick wake up alarm, and then I'm going to just sign off for today. Let's see. Okay. So, where is it? Here it is. It's a great alarm. Oh my gosh, I swear. And it's called. Okay, it's called Acapella Good Morning. All right, so listen, and then I'm gonna go ahead and say later. Seriously, that'll get you up dancing, just like, oh, it's a beautiful day. I remember from yesterday of being a beautiful day. All right, anyway. All right, so thank you for watching. I will try to figure out this error message. And okay, so again, this is Ashleigh Bonner from Electric Egghead. Later.